you're a Cricut owner and you're getting stickers that look something like this where it's double cutting and cutting finer details, stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. Chances are if you are looking to make stickers or maybe even seating cards, you want something that looks more like the right side. Your design is more grouped together, it's not cutting out very fine details, and it's so much easier to use. So let's jump on our computers so I can show you how exactly you're going to perfect this. So here we are in Design Space, which is the Cricut software, and we have both of our sticker images on our blank canvas. I personally like to come down here to my background color and give it a different shade just so I can see how my image pops up. Sometimes it's very hard to tell where your machine's gonna cut if you can't see exactly where the color is showing through. Right now, my right side champagne flute is not attached with my image, so I know it's gonna cut it out separately. And I obviously do not want that to happen. So I'm coming up to my top toolbar under Effects and clicking Offset. When I scrub on this little toggle, you'll see the offset layer is creating an outline around my entire image. Now, depending on your preference, you can go as thick or as thin as you like. For this particular image that I have here, I am just looking to thicken up the stems of my wine glasses, and my main goal was to attach that champagne flute on the right side. So once I'm happy where the outline is showing, I'm gonna hit apply and it's gonna default to a black color. Typically, I just change this to white, but you can change it to any color you'd like. Now I wanna do the same exact thing with my text sticker here. Clearly, it is a very thin font, and obviously I want this all to come out attached together, so I'm gonna do the same exact thing I just did last time. Find where your effects tab is and open that up so you can click on offset. And my main goal with the text is to not have any of those cuts in between the letters. I am scrubbing to the right side just enough where it's only outlining the outside of these words. And just so you can see what I mean, when I go to the left side, see how those little bubbles are appearing inside my text? That is exactly what I'm trying to avoid. Again, I'm just going for a very clean and easy look, so when I go to peel out my sticker, everything is coming attached. And once again, I'm changing the color background on this to white. Now, one really quick thing I want to point out, because I haven't stated this yet, is yes, you can use that sticker feature that you saw in the effects tab, but only if you pay for Cricut Access. So if you don't, like me, hang tight because we got one more step we need to do. When we open up our tab on the right hand side, we're going to see all of our layers, but we do not want to attach it like I just did. As you see, when I hit the drop down for the attach, all of my layers are still here, which is exactly what we don't want. What this means is it's going to cut each layer separately. So instead, what I'm going to do is click and drag over the two layers that I want to merge together. That way I have both the sticker and the offset layer I custom made for it selected. And when you come back over to the right side panel here where your layers are, you can either right click and come down to the very bottom option where it says flatten, or there's also a flatten button here on the bottom of the layers tab. Then you'll notice after flattening it, when we do a drop down, there is only one layer, and that is exactly what you want to see. And this means that you're gonna just get one cut around both layers that you just flattened together. Then I'm gonna repeat the same exact process for the sticker and offset layer that I made for it. And then you're gonna continue on to make, so then you can go ahead and print and cut this. Now, just as you guys saw in the beginning of the video, I did do one example of doing an attach, and the other example is doing it flat, just so you can see the difference in result when you go to make these. So yes, the left side is the attach and the right side is the flatten. Make sure to give this video a save so next time you're looking to make something like stickers or even place cards, you can give this a try.